Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 of 248 horsepower and 251 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch wheels. Black MV-Tex interior with a panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set all season and regular floor mats. Premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, steering wheel controls, media display, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, turn wheel for the infotainment center. Very low mileage on this 2013 C-Class, 41,611 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2013 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.